Hi guys. Okay, so I've done a video on these little tiny bezel cup settings and how to set them. You can use pliers, you can use a hammer, like a hammer and a bezel pusher. Uh, you can use a couple of different tools, but I wanted to show you the way I prefer to do them. Uh, and that is this little bezel kit. And basically, what you do, this is a setting that we make. It's a bezel cup with a heart that sits on the side of the finger. And what you do is you stick the bezel cup in there, and then you pick the size that will fit over that particular stone, and you just tap it with a rawhide hammer around and around and around, and you want to do it kind of soft because you don't want to break your stone. But as the stone sets down in there, you should be able to hit it a little bit harder. And this, I think, will probably show you a little bit better, like what kind of a finish you get from using these. It's, I don't know, I think like $45 for the set. I have them listed on mysticsupplies.com, and it covers like 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually covers very small ones too, but I personally never go that small. This one is like a 7.75. So usually about, I don't know, a 6 will usually fit in that one. So anything up to like a size 6, you should be fine. And it gives a um, really pretty finish, and it does it pretty fast. So that is another way you can do these little tiny bezel cup rings. And that would include, like, even if you're putting in like resin cabochons, things like that, you just need to be careful when you're hitting it that you don't hit it too hard. Anyway, talk soon.